In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your FXIFY to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up FXIFY on your favorite browser, and then you'll need to click Start a New Challenge. Now once you're inside of here, you'll need to choose your specific account that you want to purchase, and you can choose how you seem fit really. But the only thing you'll need to be aware of that is you need to go down to platform and make sure that you have chosen Metatrader 5. If you choose any of these other ones like TradingView or DXTrade, you will not be able to connect this specific account that you're just about to purchase to your Metatrader 5 account. From here, you'll simply need to go up again and click I declare and have read and agree with terms and conditions and proceed with payments. And from here, you'll need to review your order and pay and receive your credentials. Now, once you receive your credentials, you'll need to make sure that you have saved these onto your dashboard or somewhere safe, because you will need to paste in these credentials onto Metatrader 5. Now from here, you'll need to open up a new tab and open up metatrader5.com and then download Metatrader 5 for either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. You can also use the web terminal if you're not comfortable with downloading Metatrader 5 onto your computer. Now once you have successfully downloaded Metatrader 5 or open up Metatrader 5, then it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the left hand corner up to File, and then from here you'll need to go down to Open an Account. Now from here, you'll be able to add a new account by clicking right here, and here you'll just need to click in FXIFY like so, and then click Find Your Company. Sometimes that will not work, so you'll just need to click FXIFYagain.com and then click Find Your Company like so. And as you can see down here, it has been successfully added, and now you'll need to click Next. Once from here, you'll need to click Connect with an existing trade account, and here you'll need to paste in the credentials that you received from FXIFY and then add your password that you also received. From here, you'll need to select the server for FXIFY and click Finish. Now from here, you'll have successfully connected your FXIFY account to Metatrader 5. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!